Good morning, children. Today for the 5th class, I'll give you the term book. We have already completed 2 lessons, that is the Pied Piper and the Little Boy Blue. 2 lessons we have already completed. Notes में hard words, meanings, question answers पूरे लिख लिए ना. So today I'll tell you the term book bits. Okay, children. So everyone, please open your term books. Everyone, take out your term books. Page number 10. Page number 10, that is Pied Piper lesson which I am going to tell you today. Okay? See. B bit. The sentence below contains few phrasal verbs which depict some work going on. Write the correct meaning from the hint box. Everyone chips in. We can finish the painting in this room by night. या देखो या चिप्स इन वर्ड है, वो चिप्स इन को कनेक्टेड मीनिंगफुल वर्ड हमको यह लिखना है. देखो चिप्स इन मीन्स टू हेल्प, टू हेल्प. नेक्स्ट, आई थिंक वी शुड कट बैक ऑन एरेटेड ड्रिंक्स टू स्टे हेल्दी. कट बैक ऑन का मीनिंग टू कंज्यूम लेस. Cut back on, to consume less. We need to do away with extra furniture in the house. To do away. To do away means to discard. Next, it is difficult to put up with your attitude. To put up. To put up ka to tolerate. Aman passed out on the cricket field. Passed out means to faint. Our classes were called off due to heavy rain. Called off, to cancel. After 2 months of summer vacation, it is time for us to catch up with our studies. To reach a level. Next, she promises to come over but she never does. To visit. Okay, children, this B bit completed. See, I have given you all the fill in the blanks. You please write it very clearly in your textbook. With this we have completed B bit. Now come to page number 11, D bit. You have write true or false for the given statements. The Pied Piper played a drum to draw all the rats. Did the Pied Piper play the drum, children? Did he play drum? No. What did he play? He played the flute. So the first statement is false. The mayor offered $1,000,000 guilders to drive the rats away. Did he offer $1,000,000 guilders? No. Also false. The Pied Piper was called to Tartary to kill vermin. Yes, he was called to Tartary. True. The rats fell into the Weser. Yes, true. They fell into the river Weser, na? The tragedy happened on 22nd June 1376. Yes, it is also true. It was happened on 22nd June 1376. Next, see children. Coming to the 12, page number 12, E bit. Underline the prepositions in the following sentences. See, in this we have to underline all the prepositions. So first we will read what is a preposition. See, prepositions are words that provide additional information to the readers. They depict the relationship between two words in a sentence. It gives us the relationship between two words. Ashok came the day before yesterday. Say here, day is one word, yesterday is one word. What is joining these two words? Before. If we join two sentences, it becomes conjunction, children. If we join two words, it becomes preposition. See, he was standing by the shore. Standing is one word and by the shore is one word. Here by is the preposition. Now in the same way we will underline some of the prepositions from this bit, children. That is, take out page number 12, everyone. Take out page number 12. E-bit. See, the man with grey hair lives in our neighborhood. In. Here, in is the preposition. Underline in. The old man went down the hill on foot. On. The children are playing under the tree. Under is the preposition. The patient is under observation. The robber was being beaten with sticks. Susan lives 2 blocks up the street. Up is the preposition, children. We tried to cross the road, but the traffic light changed from red to green. Here from and to both are prepositions, children. I waited for her till 11 o'clock and then left. Here till is preposition and then is preposition. I have gained over 2 kgs this month. Over is preposition, children. Please write your name on the dotted line. On is the preposition. So these are the prepositions in the E-bit, children. You please underline it in your term book. With this we have completed the first lesson. Now we'll go to the second lesson. Second lesson bits, that is page number 15, children. Come to the little boy blue, page number 15. My heart skipped a beat when I saw my new dress. Skipped a beat. To feel excited. Okay, children? Next. Mary loves chocolates, but she had a soft spot for butterscotch ice cream. Soft spot. To have a liking for. To have a liking for. Next. Don't get all steamed up about what he said. He was probably joking. All steamed up. To get angry. Next. We were over the moon when we saw the test results. Over the moon. To be extremely happy. Next. Rashmi felt like a fish out of water in her school. Fish out of water means to feel uncomfortable. To feel uncomfortable in a particular situation. To feel uncomfortable in a particular situation. Okay, children, next. Vijay was reduced to tears. Tears means to cry. Okay, this is the first bit we have completed. Okay, children. Now see, turn the page, page number 16. Here are some conjunctions. In the previous lesson, we have completed prepositions, children. Now, see conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words that join 2 or more words, sentences and phrases. Here in prepositions are the words which join only words, children. But here in conjunctions, it will join words as well as sentences and also phrases. See, Ankar participated in punning contest although he was not good with puns. Here the conjunction will become although. Yes, the book is neither great nor bad. It is an average rate. Here neither and nor both will become conjunctions. Yes, now I'll do this page number 16. See bit children. See bit, I am going to do it in your term book. You please do it again. Either take the money dash leave it or end. Here or leave it. The stone was neither precious dash beautiful. If it is either, it will come or children. If it is neither, it will come nor. Okay? It's a combined words. Either or, neither nor. He is poor dash honest but honest. He was sleeping dash we did not wake him up. So we did not wake him up. Do not leave the place dash I return until I return. He ran very fast dash he could not win the race. But he could not win the race. You must work hard dash you won't pass or you won't pass. 2 dash 2 make 4. 2 and 2 make 4. Shamik took a dip in the water dash it was very cold. Although Shamik took dip in the water although it was very cold. Dora cannot perform the annual function dash she is injured because she is injured. With this we have completed both the lessons, that is the Little Boy Blue and the Pied Piper lesson. Both the lesson term books have been completed to you children. You please complete this in your complete all the bits in your term book, and both the lessons question answers, meanings, hard words, everything is given. Both, so completely we have done the term book and the notes. You please read it. These 2 lessons will be given to you in your half yearly exam. Okay? You please complete these 2 lessons and read perfectly children. Okay? Thank you.